Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'll be showing you how to draw a simple, easy excavator. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our excavator, let's go ahead and begin right here. So I'm going to start off by making a line that's just going to go straight across. Then we're going to kind of go down at an angle. Then we're going to go straight across again. Next, I'm going to bring this line down, and I'm going to bring this line down. I'll make this one come down a little farther. Let's connect them with a nice straight line across. Then let's kind of curve a little line across the bottom here. Let's make two little lines right here underneath. Then we're going to go ahead and make a straight line. We're going to curve this around, come straight across, and then make another curve to connect this up. I'm going to draw that exact same shape in here, almost kind of like a really long, skinny oval, and we're just going to connect it. Let's go ahead and draw some circles in here. I'm going to put a circle here, and then I'm going to put a circle right at the end. Then we're just going to put a few more. We'll put one here, we'll put one here, and then we've got just enough space for a fifth one right there. Then we can even go ahead and make some small circles inside of here, just for a little bit of detail on those little parts of the track. Now, starting here, let's make the little cab. So let's make a line that's going to come up. We're going to go over. And then we're going to come down at an angle. I'm going to draw that same shape inside here. I'm going to go up, over, and then down. And then I'm going to make two little lines that just come down here for a little bit of detail. Let's make a little skinny rectangle shape here. And let's make a little line that's going to go up and curve out. We'll redraw that same shape right here. Then we can put a little oval shape right at the end for a little pipe. We can even add some little lines on there. For some detail, let's go ahead and make a little rectangle shape here. And we can add some little lines on here too. Now for the big front claw part of our excavator, let's go ahead and draw a nice tall line up here. Then we're going to make a nice diagonal line here. We're going to go up, down, and connect. Then we're going to bring this line down here. Now right here, let's go ahead and make a little line that's going to come down. We're going to make a big curve shape like this. Then we're going to come back up here. We'll go ahead and make a little bump here. And then we can make some bumps right there just to make it look like he's got dirt in there. Then we can make a little rectangle shape here for some detail. And then we'll do a couple little dots here. And then we'll finish it off with one more little line here. Then what I like to do is just make like some bumpy lines kind of right around here, just to make it look like there's a pile of dirt there that it's scooping from. And there you go, there is your drawing of an excavator. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.